Hello and greetings to our lecturers, Dr. Faraniza and Dr. Vijayan. Today our Group D, will present about the applications of bioinformatics in plant breeding. We will explain about the basic concepts, its benefits and challenges and real-life applications, including an example from Malaysia.
What is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is a field that combines biology and computer science to analyze and interpret data. It also plays an important role in genomics, understanding genes, DNA, and its rate. How about plant breeding? Plant breeding is the science of creating better plant varieties. It involves selecting plants with desirable traits like disease-resistant, high yield, or better taste. So, combining bioinformatics with plant breeding allows us to speed up breeding, analyze big genetic data sets, reduce costs, and develop better crops to handle climate change.
Traditional breeding means the making the plant and pick the one that look at good. It's cheap and easily, but the results depend a lot on the environment. Bioinformatics breeding using the DNA and computer toys to choose the better plants. It's faster and more calculate, but they need higher the technology machine and have higher academic work knowledge the people. In short, traditional breeding is simple but it's not perfect. Bioinformatics is smart and fast, but they need to cost more. And no matter what, we still have to detect plant into the real world.
First is marker-assisted selection. This method uses molecular markers to identify plants with desirable traits like disease resistance or drought tolerance, and it helps breeders to select the best plants even at the seedling stage. Next is genomic data management. This bioinformatics stores and organizes huge volumes of genetic data like DNA sequences, mutations, and gene expression. Tools like BLAST and FASTA help in comparing the sequences. And there's another application, which is data sharing, which the genome data is shared among the global research community, encouraging the collaboration and scientific progress. The last one is predictive breeding models that are used to estimate the breeding values and predict plant traits based on genetic markers for making it faster to develop the high-quality and cost-efficient varieties. I would like to give a real-life example of application bioinformatics in plant breeding at Malaysia, which is marker-assisted selection in rice breeding by Mardi. Now let's look at the examples. The researchers first identify important traits like resistance to bacterial leaf blight or drought tolerance. Next, for using bioinformatics tool, they scan the rice genome to find markers linked to those traits. Step 3, the DNA is extracted from young seedlings. If a plant carries the desired marker, it likely has the desired trait too. Lastly, only the seedlings with the right markers are used for further breeding. This saves time, effort, and cost. Mardi has developed rice lines that resist major diseases like blast and bacterial blight. MAS also helps combine multiple traits such as early maturity and disease resistance in single variety. This method strengthens food security, reduces pesticides used, and helps measure reliance on rice imports by producing high-quality local rice.
How about the advantages of using bioinformatics in plant breeding? We can get better genetic analysis that can help identify important genes more accurately. Then, can get faster breeding cycles by speed up the selection process. Thirdly, as multi-omics integration to combine genomics, proteomics, metabolomics, for better trait prediction. So, what are the challenges of using bioinformatics? Firstly, data complexity that makes large genetic data needs advanced infrastructures. Moreover, lack of standard protocols cause different methods can make data sharing difficult. Another challenge is specialized skills that are expertise in biology, computing, and statistics to handle that application.
Bioinformatics is very useful in modern plant breedings, helping us choose better plants more likely and accurately, especially when traits are complex.
With local examples like Mardi's success in rice breeding, we see how this approach supports Malaysia's food security and agriculture future. Thank you for watching our presentation.